And we want to answer for you the question, what is Lighthouse? What dimensions is Lighthouse? Is it just a version? Is it a release? Is it a program? Is it a strategy? I can tell you already, it's everything. And in order to start from the beginning, every big program has an initial point, some second zero, where an idea was born about what we are doing. This is more than 2.5 years ago that we started with the Lighthouse program. The initiator, the one who is guilty, so to say, that we have implemented the Lighthouse program, our CTO, Mirko Minich. Welcome. Good morning, Mirko.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, well, we just started our session. We had 2 days in German already, so if you checked the German program as well, we will give you also content about this in English now. So starting with the question, Mirko, as I said, 2.5 years ago, a lot of people involved. You will speak a little bit about the facts and was this what's the outcome today? What you can see in the next 2 days? Was it what you thought of? Is that your idea of what we are doing?
So good morning. First, thanks for having me. Yeah, everything starts with a vision. 2.5 years ago, yeah, after a successful almost 40 years of building products in this company, we thought about we need to go to the next level. And as Niels already said, is it a release? Is it a generation? Is it just a product launch? It's all about. We had a vision as our customer, yeah, where we are very close to, actually told us, yeah, we need to move forward. We need to have more requirements, and especially in the context of hybrid cloud, almost everybody is working in a hybrid cloud scenario for their data center operations. So we want to get prepared for that. So, and starting with that, I went back the 2.5 years ago when we started the program and looked back to our objectives we have written 2.5 years ago. And give me a second, I need to. So you can see, recognize probably that we have the former Beta Systems logo, as we did the rebranding this year as part of our transformation. These were the 6 goals, the 6 objectives we put in place. Yeah, and I looked at the date on the 22nd of March 2022. So 6 objectives we had building the next generation of DCI products. The product suites you will hear in the next 2 days, yeah, a lot of insight, a lot of details. The first and most important one, all these products coming with new functionality. That was a dream we had. We had a lot of requests. We did user research. We got your feedback, yeah, for missing functionality and so on and so forth. You will hear all of our products, a lot of new functionality. Be curious for the next 2 days. Second, yeah, as we are moving into the hybrid cloud scenario, yeah, we think to feature parity. That means the same features you are used to have on a mainframe should be available on the open system, on the cloud, on the Unix products. So we said the next would be put true feature parity in our product, so that migrations, transitions from mainframe core products to the Unix product are seamless for you. The third objective we had, yeah, put new innovative solutions. We called them vertical into our product suite. Yeah, add-ons, white spaces we filled. Yeah, something we have heard where we can say, okay, we need to bring these new solutions to it. You will hear in the next 2 days a lot of new innovative solutions, and I do not want to spoil that because Niels and the team are prepared to give you the details. The fourth one, and this is coming from my heart, the higher efficiency. Yeah? That is the objectives that we put in place, not only how you can use our products, but also the products itself and their architecture level. And what's most important is you're all on the next generation of mainframes in the meantime. Yeah? We want to use actually the capabilities the new mainframes give us, and you will see a lot on higher efficiency for our products in the next 2 days. The fifth one, very important, to support the hybrid cloud scenario, is a common integration. We want to ensure that we can access our mainframe products from the cloud, and we can actually also go into the cloud. So common integration via APIs, common integration, which I call the opening up our products to support these hybrid cloud scenario. That was the fifth objective. And the sixth and the last one is a unified front end. You will see that all of our products will have a new user experience, a new look and feel place to show you, we listen to you, and the most important is that should be easier to use our products by a unified experience you have when you use our products. So 6 objectives we put in place 2.5 years ago, 2.5 years, and I'm very, very proud as Niels asked the question if when we put this in place, if we met these objectives. I'm pretty sure you will see the next 2 years that these teams did a fantastic job to accommodate perspective. What you will get in the next 2 days are four different kind of results. I call it the 4 dimensions. The first, what you will see, is we have developed a lot of new cross-product functions within the Lighthouse program. Yeah? To give a simple example, single sign-on. So it's available for all of our products, so that it's not necessary to use different logins for the different products. We have now a common user experience with a single sign-on. ZOSMF as a new install method. It's available for all of our products, makes it easier for not the so sophisticated engineers who install our products. So a lot of these cross-product functional feature you will notice in the next 2 days in the deep dive sessions. The second dimension is demands you have and so on and so forth. Yeah, we have built in these functions, these new requirements into our products. I'm pretty sure you will recognize, oh, that comes from me, this feature. That's exactly what I need. And please ask the product manager, ask your key account manager if this feature is built in. I'm pretty sure with all the hundreds of features we have built in, you will find your specific feature we have built into the products. The third one, certainly we have also some ideas. We're also creative. We are building products for the years. We are very close to you. We have built a new functionality you haven't dreamed of. So maybe you will find something, wow, this is now available for LogZ. Find actually something new stuff you can use for your daily life at your work. So that's a third dimension. New feature per product. There's a top 10 list for all of the products. Please find out about these new features. And the fourth one, and is linked to the innovative solution, we have built some new products. Yeah, we have created some first version of the next generation of new products on that. Yeah, I'll give you a very example. Yeah, the beta control is now available for LogZ. Yeah? So you can actually monitor your operating environment with beta control on our document output management solution. The batch operator, we called it in the past, it's now called the beta cloud connector for mainframe, opens up the mainframe to manage actually workload in cloud environments. So a lot of new features, a lot of new solutions you will see in the next two days. I'm very proud that we have not only accomplished these 6 objectives, most important, I'm personally thinking, and the first feedback we got after 2 months in the market, we have exceeded the expectations. We have exceeded what the team have built, what we have dreamed of 2.5 years ago. So I wish you all some really great sessions, and with
seconds with me. I like this time traveling, looking back to 2022. And in order to set the scene for our audience, you mentioned a couple of details affecting our core portfolio. And yes, confirmed, we will speak the next 2 days mostly about our core portfolio. But of course, this picture to me you have shown is a bit incomplete because a lot of other things have changed in the past 2 years. In fact, a lot of things have changed in the past 2 years, mentioning the widening of our portfolio by the ANOW workload automation system, speaking. So it's not just technology, right? It is also changing the entire company in a way.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's not building just the next generation product. To accommodate this new hybrid cloud scenario, we had done a lot of investments in the company to build these new products, to actually have the right expertise in the market. I give you for building the product. I give you a very simple example. When we started the program, we said we need to have certain competencies we didn't have 3 years ago. So we built actually 4 competence center: a competence center for AI, a competence center for design, competence center for agile, and a competence center for cloud. So new capabilities we brought into the company to actually support these hybrid cloud scenario, to bring the new people up and running, bring our products to the next level, and that's what I'm happy with to share. And you will see this in the next 2 days. A lot of the stuff you will recognize is new. It's a new beta.
Mirko, thank you very much. From the experience from the first 5 minutes, I see we have plenty of topics to discuss, so you will very likely get another invitation in a couple of weeks where we may speak not about the DCI classic portfolio, but perhaps more about the ANOW. Thanks for this.
Thank you, Niels. And thank you, and good luck for the next 2 days.
Thank you.